Yo, yo. Yo, was geht ab? Ich bin heute mal ein wenig late. Aber ich bin da. Ich werde jetzt erstmal anfangen, ein bisschen Liquidity zu marken, die wir haben. Hier hatte ich noch ziemlich viel markiert von gestern. Die Trendline hatte ich schon eingezeichnet, die haben wir auch auf jeden Fall gebrochen, so täglich. Wir haben eine riesen FEG. Oder eigentlich eine okay hier. Eine bullische. Dann haben wir... Oh, mein Bein, Jungs. Sorry. Wir haben hier Liquidity. Wir haben hier Liquidity. Wir haben potenziell noch... Wir können ja mal die 4-Hour gucken, was hier die nächste wäre, die wir wahrscheinlich holen würden. Ja gut, die hier unten wahrscheinlich, ne? Wir haben hier auch eine extrem hohe Candle gemacht, die da oben ziemlich viel outgezeigt hat. Also ich bin hier fully bearish, ohne dass ich hier auf noch viele Timeframes gucken muss. Ich denke, ich werde jetzt langsam reinscannen für den Sell. Ich hätte hier zwar noch lieber einen Tab oben zuerst, aber... Ach so, und den habe ich übrigens auf Handy genommen gehabt, aber ich bin hier schon bei einem Pip oder so im Profit rausgegangen, weil ich einen Trade auch davor hatte, wo ich hier im Buy war, also von hier glaube, und dann hier reingescaled habe, und dann war ich 600 im Minus und bin dann 0,0 einfach raus. Was geht, Chrome? Grüß dich, Bro. Ich bin heute leider ein bisschen late. Ich sell hier jetzt 3 auf jeden Fall. Für den Rest suchen wir nochmal nach ein bisschen anderen Entries. Ich will mal gucken, ob ich hier nochmal ein paar FEGs markieren kann. Wir haben hier noch eine FE. Wir haben hier noch eine. Wir haben hier eine ziemlich gute, I guess. Das ist eine ziemlich gute Gap. Wir haben hier eine ziemlich gute Gap. And as said, wir haben die Liquidity, die wir wollen, so bei 40 ungefähr. Yes, sir. Das ist unser Target. That's our target. 40 Punkte. Aber der geht hier schon so schnell, dass ich gar keine Chance kriege, irgendwie reinzuscalen oder so. Ich kann hier nochmal scalen.
Order filled.
Auf dem Trendline Tab. Auf dem. Ach Digga, ey, mein Kopf. FEG Tab, sorry. Wie sieht's bei dir aus, Chrome? Hast du schon irgendwelche Setups genommen? Ich habe Open nur am Dings gesehen gehabt, am Handy ein bisschen. Aber es sah eigentlich sehr, sehr einfach aus. What's up, bro? How you doing? I'm doing alright, I guess. This is our target. I'm taking
Order
3
filled.
here. And I'm putting this above break even. Let's see if we can cross through this. Would be a good FEG too. I'm gonna buy
Order
one here.
filled.
Let's see how far we can trail this. How are you guys doing? Hab gerade einen kleinen Scalp gehabt. Bis London Low. Das hatte ich mir auch markiert für meinen ersten Trade tatsächlich. Sehr, sehr nice. Das war eigentlich ein cleaner Trade, Digga. Wir sehen halt jetzt wirklich seit Tagen nur dasselbe Setup. Also jeden Tag dasselbe Setup. Und wem das noch nicht aufgefallen ist, so, dann ist es echt bad, bro. Imagine, like, wir sind 21.200 schon wieder, Digga. So, wie weit wollen wir bitte fallen, Bruder? Guck mal, was wir hier gemacht haben, Digga. Das ist eine straight Downside Rally. So, mal eben für 1000 Punkte innerhalb von 5 Tagen oder so. Wir hätten halt hier auch noch eine Trendline, sehe ich gerade. Die könnte uns halten. Und der bouncen wir auch hier gerade. Oh, sorry. Das wollte ich gar nicht moven. I didn't want to move that. Market is shitting the bed. How are you doing today? Doing good or bad? Or have you taken positions yet? We hit the initial target I had. That's why we are up 398. But I think this could sell off more if we maybe we bounce, maybe we even bounce, but I want to see this taken at least. Wait, let me have a look at this. Now this could be all right already.
Order
Taking it off
filled.
here. New version for my browser. My browser. We could see some more upside here. Like I said, this is a strong trend line here. Want to see at least a 50% touch here for me to buy this with 5 micros. Come on, tap me in. First of all, tap me in. Damn, won't get an entry there. But we will sell it back down as soon as we get up here. Also, yeah, this is what we did here. Could see this. But we're getting some good upside here. I'm looking for a buy at the moment. Oh, I don't even have ES opened, I gotta say that. That's why I'm not too confident here, maybe. That could be a fact. Show me ES here. ES at the trend line for downside, but we break through that. I think I'm gonna buy that.
Filled.
ES has lots of volume here. Nice. Don't want to see this pass through here. I want to see this hold on the fair value gap there. Give it a second. Yes, still looking good here. Broke the trend line clearly on ES. Putting my break even here. Now looking for targets on ES. This could be a target, this could be a target, this could be a target.
Order filled.
Okay, we got stuff there. Let's have a look on a higher time frame on ES. Let me have a quick look. We're in a pretty bullish FVG. We could see 59, 51 on ES, I would say. So we could sell this back down. This even looks like it. So I'm gonna sell 5 here. Stop is 360. I'm only gonna sell 5 because I need the bigger stop. But I think ES could break back down. Not sure, but could actually. We could even hit 5992 on ES and break after that, if we not break before that. ES already looking like it's wanna go back into the trend line, so we should break under this and then break back down. Pretty sure we're getting a drop here, a pretty hefty drop through all these zones. So if you're looking for an entry, I would say sell this. Ab wann geht's mit Funded los? Funded fängt jetzt bald an. Also ich kriege jetzt diese Woche Payout und dann kaufen wir den Fund, also dann aktiviere ich den Funded und dann geht's los. If we get some downside, if we break this low, I'm gonna sell one more. Yes, at the 50% line here. We'll see if we hold this or if we get the break, I said. But this looks very, very bearish. Like, we took the top off here, took the liquidity up there, I think. Or is this a double top? Did we build a double top up here? I'm not too sure. Could be that we built a double top up there, but I'm not sure. Yes, still holding at the 50% level there. Looking a bit dangerous. Need some reaction on ES now to the downside. If we get that, we good. Sell one more
Order
here.
filled.
Should get the push down into the zone there. At least should tap this zone. But I wanna, ES really looks like it's gonna break into the trend line again, so be ready for the sell. We should take the lows. I'm gonna mark out some liquidity on ES here, on NQ here. This would be a very likely area for us to go. Let's look on the 5 minute, maybe we got some more there. We're at this FEG here, this big FEG that even goes under here. So we could go till here, I guess, 113. ES just broke into the trend line, as I said, so we should continue lower. So I'm just gonna hold this bad boy till we can't anymore. Right now, actually broke through the trend line. Let's see how we react off of that. This was a FEG we built. As said, 180 is my first liquidity, is my first target, I guess. This was our trade. 30 points. We're looking for 155 points here. Taking our first TP at this level. I'm gonna type that in real quick. TP. Oh! Bro, my mic just flipped. Damn, what the fuck am I doing? TP1. Boom. And we're gonna take 3 off of this. Or let's say, let's take 3. Let's take 3. Don't want to be too greedy on that. Yeah, we should be good with that. Yes, getting a slight pushback up from that trendline break. So we touched the lower point of the trendline, but this is kind of holding at the moment. Why did the music stop? Let's look on the 15-second on ES. Looking good. Looking good for a huge for another break here. I'm gonna sell one
Order
more.
filled.
So we can take more to the downside and take 3 here and still be in more contracts. Right now pushing down. If we get that push, I'm gonna trade this down. Right now, a perfect bounce on the zone, guys. Look for the short. Look for the short. If you would have entered here, stop goes to 30 points. TP is 24 points. This could be your trade right now, at the second. We should fully get this break. Just watch it. Just watch it. We're now at the trend line again on ES, so we should get some kind of stronger break to the downside now. Because we held that initial second break above the trend line on ES, but sold that down real quick to the trend line again. So I think the lowest we go with this could be still 59.51 on ES, and yeah, but we're getting some upside here, gotta say that. I'm going to take some profits if we get above this zone, but this really looks like a sell down, so I want to hold this. And ES is building such bearish order flow that I want to see this now shoot into the fucking trend line. Yeah, looks great for it on 1 minute on ES. Looking really great for the breakdown now. ES is going. Yeah, NQ is following good. Following real good. So this would be your first TP here. As said, this could be your position here. Aber wie gesagt, Chrome, Funnel geht bald los, Bruder. Und dann werde ich das auch livestreamen immer. Okay, das sieht mir jetzt ein bisschen eher nach Reversal aus, wenn wir hier jetzt zu viel Dings kriegen. Aber ich glaube, das sind eher nur Grabs aus dem ES. Also es sieht, im ES sehen wir wirklich sehr bearish aus. Wir haben nochmal eine gute Gap gebildet, die uns hier gerade noch runterhält. Und die haben wir jetzt auch zweimal reingetappt. Also ich denke, die müsste halten. We build a gap 59.77 to 59.70 on ES, which we tapped twice now. So we should see this break really soon. I even think we could trade this down even more, like here. Your TP goes to 32 points. Let's see if we can get that. ES now tapping the trend line again. Let's see if we can break in it now. Okay, we got a SMT here at the moment. This looks better. Oh no, we don't, sorry. This is just 15 second chart, and this is 1 minute on my other screen. Can we get this break now, please? Right now, 19 points in profit if you took that sell. But we should slowly break here. Slowly, but we should break. I still think so. Need to get a second look here. 2 minute on ES doesn't look too bad, but not too good. We could push this through. Like this is already going, even though ES isn't. We're still inside the range, but I think I'm gonna take one contract here.
Order filled.
Yeah. I'm gonna slowly take contracts here. This kinda looks like we could push this back up. Doesn't mean we have to. Like could still just flip bearish in a second. That's nothing that could not happen, like for real. But I'm gonna put this at 2 now. I wanna take 2 contracts here. By 2. Okay, we exactly did that. We flipped bearish on ES right now on the 2 minute, and we're gonna close that in 30 seconds probably to the downside, and then we should get a follow through. Close the gap here now. Let's see if we can bump this down. Again, at our entry is kind of a pivot point here from which we bounce. But we now overshot this little high here, I think. Or did we? No, we didn't. Okay, we could go above that and then go down. But yes, now got a chance to break. Yes, really has a chance to break here. Build I'd say some type of order block to the downside here on ES. So we should follow
Order
through
filled.
this now. I'm gonna buy this back, this contract. We should get the push down now into this. Should hit. Pretty sure about it actually. pretty sure about it. Just give it a second. Yeah. We're gonna hit that. Boom. Nice. Yes, broke. Took liquidity off the lows now. This would be the SMT if we don't follow through now. Okay, yes, show me what you want to do. Looks still bearish, but took downside liquidity and closed inside the zone. That's why I'm kind of hesitant with this. If you're in this position, you could already have just taken like take profit like 4 times or so with 20 points. Like we hit this zone down here, we hit that 5 times or something. 20 points. ES holding at the moment, building some kind of bottom here, gotta say that, which we push off a bit. But we got 2 really nice taps on this bearish FVG, so I'm thinking we're still gonna continue this bearish order flow. This is what I have drawn in for ES right now. Yeah. If not, I'm taking more liquidity here. This will be the trendline break.
Order filled.
We had the FVG again now. If we don't break now, we're bullish. Okay, we sell this down completely.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add those 2 back. As you can see, our entry moves down with us, but we taken partials on the way, so that's why we're up 831 right now. Still within this position from up here. Still looking for that downside down here for 150 points overall, but we probably took more because we sold and bought again into our positions. ES took that perfect touch on the zone I marked out. I can show you. We did the perfect touch on this, took liquidity off of that, closed inside this trend line again. So we should be able to bump this down straight below this trend line if we want to go down even further. But I guess we could just sweep this one more time and then go up if we want to go up. ES breaking now, pretty good. Oh, we didn't even get stopped on this. Like this one point, 0.25, I guess. Yeah, 0.25 in our stop. Really nice. Come on, break it, ES. I need you down there. Getting the momentum it needs. Really good here. Should break this now. This whole setup here. If we don't hold, yes, still hesitant in that zone, but respecting upside, and I'd say aiming more for downside. That's why I'm holding still. Why'd you do that to me? That's like you could have taken so much profits here in just this ranging. Chrome, hast du schon wieder ein Dings genommen? Hast du ein Setup schon gehabt? Das wäre ein gutes Setup gerade. Internet Swap durch diese Candle hier. Range gebildet. Doppelte Inverse Fair Value Gap. ES ist in der Trendline immer noch. Sieht nach Downside aus. Das wäre also gerade für mich, glaube ich, ein gutes Sell Setup hier. Von diesem Punkt hier. Aber mal gucken. ES ist gerade sehr hesitant. Also ES ist nicht so gerade decisive, wo wir hinwollen. Wir respektieren immer noch die Upside, deswegen müssten wir jetzt so langsam mal einen Push zur Downside kriegen. Einen starken eigentlich. Ah, kriegen wir gerade. Nope, nur einen bisher. Dann lasst uns nach dem Trade, also nachdem ich mit dem hier durch bin, können wir ja nochmal gucken, ob wir vielleicht ein Setup finden, das so zusammenpasst. Du meinst, der Power of 3 fandest du ganz gut, ne? Okay, we took liquidity on ES, broke this sell side, or inside sell side. Broke this trend line, so we should shoot down. Yes, können wir machen. What are you up today? I'm up 831, or do you mean what I'm doing today? If I have plans for today. As you can see here, respecting that trendline break. How much money? 831, and we're currently up around 700. So 1.5 around that. Yes, still breaking, getting to the direction of 59.51, which I marked out. We should hit
Order
this now.
filled.
Nice, there's your TP. Yes, it's just straight away breaking. Looks beautiful. Still breaking. Absolutely beautiful right here. We're gonna take some more partials here. Limit by 2 off of here. We should get some kind of push in that. Come on. For the 50%
Order
of
filled.
the liquidity wick on ES. As said, we got a wick in the 5950s. 5,950 if you want to say it like that. And we're right now at 50% of that wick, and this sometimes leads to buyers. That's why I sold some more there. But I wouldn't mind seeing our TP down here. And ES is still holding
Order filled.
bearish. That's why I'm adding here. We still just tapping this bullish FEG, as you can see here. We're just tapping it, nothing really more. Like no initial liquidity up it or anything.
Order filled.
That's why I'm adding back into my position. Because this could mean we're just gonna continue. Don't know how much, but it means we continue. Still hasn't gone outside of Bollinger Band too. So we're pretty good here, I guess. So this should
Order
instantly
filled.
break here. That's why I'm adding my last contract here. We should see some kind of instant spike down. I don't want to see this get back up to the trend line, which we had there. If we break now, this would be good. Else we kind of fucked. Come on, drop it back down. ES, as said, ES isn't looking too bullish here. Still looking bearish. Right now, I think tested the 50% of the last break. Yeah, we just tested the 50% of the last break there. I'm gonna see if we can like get below 59.54 here again. Or if we can even take the liquidity at 59.50, as said. That would be perfect. And that would be would also match kind of with my TP. Let's see if we get that. Another good rejection on ES. Right now thinking about selling one more, but I don't think I should. Getting some kind of overreaction here. As you can see, they're not in sync right now. I'm gonna take one more contract here.
Order filled.
Taking
Order
two.
filled.
This moves to break even. Let's see if we can get filled for 150 points. Probably even more, as I said. We could even go lower, as I see on ES here. If we really want to tap that 50-50, we could break through this, at least some. Which it really looks like we want to do that. So I'm gonna put this a bit wider. ES still shooting down, still going. Hit TP here. Just want to see my TP hit on ES there. The zone I marked out, the liquidity I marked out. Yeah, come on, go a bit further. Really close now to the liquidity on ES. Passed it right there.
Order
Buying one
filled.
more contract off of that.
Order filled.
Buying two. If we hold this level, we are meant to go up.
Order filled.
Nice, TP filled. Let's go! Was ein Tag! Damn, 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 damn. This looks like a continuation pattern, as said. Let's fucking go, up 2.4k on the day, guys. After like, how long are we streaming now? After 30 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Aber wie gesagt, ich hatte einen Trade vorher genommen, schon als Open war und da lag ich noch so keine im Bett, also noch so halb. Hab mich halt gerade noch hingechillt gehabt und lag halt noch im Bett, Digga, und ich dachte so, oh, Digga, noch keinen Bock 15:30 jetzt zu streamen. Und hab deswegen gedacht, okay, guck aber trotzdem in den Open rein. Und Open sah für mich von dem Punkt aus, wo ich gesehen habe, erstmal bullish aus. Deswegen hatte ich erstmal eine Position gemacht und die ging auch, glaube ich, 300 oder 200 im Profit. Ist danach aber gebreakt. Dann sind wir, glaube ich, knapp 600 ins Minus. Mit meinem normalen Risk wäre das ja dann schon raus, ne? Aber wir sind knapp 600 ins Minus. Und dann bin ich Break-Even aus der Position wieder raus und habe dann den ersten Sale runtergenommen für, ich glaube, $40 oder so. Und dann, ich kann es auch mal zeigen einfach. Oder warte, hier ist wahrscheinlich nicht so einfach, wie wenn ich hier drauf gehe. Hier. Ich war hier in der ersten Initial Position war das 36? Ah ne, Entry Time, 3:30 hier. Und hier sind wir halt mit minimal Minus nur raus, ne? Und dann habe ich hier diese 2, glaube ich, noch gemacht gehabt und dann sind das ja schon die Trades, die wir jetzt gemacht haben. Da guck mal, das ist ja alles ein Trade hier. Das ist ja alles ein Trade, das ganze Ding hier. Ne, bis hierhin. Okay. Should we look for some more trades or should I just end the stream here? I mean, we got 2.5k. This is just straight away dumping. Like, even through the zone I marked out. Which means you could still target this sell. Like, I can blindly
Order
just sell
filled.
this. Because ES is almost gonna take liquidity there. Just watch me. Even if we get some backlash here. Doesn't matter.
Order filled.
So push it through. Putting my stop in now. If we get stopped here, this is just fucking unlucky, but ES is really moving down. That's why I don't understand this right here.
Order
I mean,
filled.
for real, ES is just moving down. But I'm gonna take
Order
this sale.
filled.
That's alright for me. We need to go below this to take the liquidity on ES, and we didn't take anything before that, I think, or nothing that, in my perspective, matters, if you could say so. But I can't find where I marked out this. Okay. Just had to mark out some liquidity here. Because we already took 3 of those liquidity levels. Could be that we get the break to the upside here. Maybe I just got fucked around here.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I just got fucked around there. We perfectly hit the bottom there, which I'm talking about the last days. Like, this is a perfect tap on this liquidity and we get a perfect bounce off of that. Here's still a gap that we could fill that I probably think we bounce off because we need to take this downside, I think.
Order filled.
Selling this. This looks like a good sell. We filled the whole gap there. We'll see if we get a push up or a push down of that. But this is really, really discount now for ES, I guess. I'm not even sure if this is a SMT, but it could be. But for the SMT, I would love to see ES at least take the downside there. But ES is giving lots of upside right here. Tap the upper liquidity there. What I'm looking for in this is just the break back below this on ES here. Like this break, I want to see this last liquidity get swept, because I think this is our liquidity target, and we also reject this FEG right here. That's why I'm looking for that last downside sweep there. So this would be a good entry for a sell. Also based off of that, we probably tap 50% here. Yes, 50% of this downside range, which we continue off. Like it's a simple trade. It's a simple trade. You could take some profit here. But I actually want to see this kind of get below. But this would be TP filled again on my funded. Should break here.
Order filled.
Saying one more, because this should break, I said. This was our initial position. Yes, almost at that break of that wick. This would be a pretty hefty SMT if we break the downside off of that and don't break it here. At least I think so. Yeah, that would mean we would have braked all this and didn't on NQ. That's why this is pushing up so hard, because maybe this SMT is really playing out. We'll see. I'm gonna set this break even, just so we save, because I still think we could see this downside. We kind of rejected it, but we stood at that gap that holds us at that how is it called, overlapping gap. Wait, I can show you too. This one right here, this one is holding us, at least at the second. Looks like a breakout. Also,
Order filled.
this is also ultimate reversal, I think. If you draw this fib, you can see this here. This looks pretty much like a upside go. But this up here could also just break this
Order
down.
filled.
And on ES it looks like we will just break this down back. Yeah, ES looks really bearish on this at this place here. Let's see how we react off of that 50% there again. Or if we hold this. I don't want to see too much here.
Order
Okay, we
filled.
hold this, so I'm
Order
buying.
filled.
So this is our last setup. I think we're gonna take on this account for at least for today. We should get some follow through here to at least the 1.618, because this is hitting really nice off of 236 here. Yes, still looking very bearish. That's why I'm kind of hesitant on this. I gotta say that. It's giving mixed signals here. But I think I want to continue the sale actually, because this is holding too much. Yes, it's not giving me what I expected it would do off of this momentum here. Like we held this pretty nice, so I thought we might go up, but doesn't look too good here, but doesn't look too bad too. But we tapped that now perfectly, so I'm out of this, I think.
Order filled.
I'm gonna just continue the sale. Maybe this was the setup all day, but yeah, because we didn't tap that low too there. It's kind of fucking me up. But measuring this on ES looks more bearish than bullish.
Ich wollte dir...
Ist nur eBay. Red weiter.
Achso. Ja, also ich habe mich...
Ach, wie geil. Moment mal. Was hast du?
Ich hab mich.
Yes
in
is
dich
going.
verliebt. Oh Mann.
Come
was
on,
ist-
yes. Break this
Ich
shit.
habe gerade einen First Edition Yoda verkauft.
Wow. Glückwunsch.
Sorglos kostenlos verkaufen und
We should
kaufen.
break this shit.
Das gibt's nur beim Original.
And yes is really trying to.
Love.
So NQ should really follow. Wie sieht's bei euch aus? Okay, this is building a strong SMT there. Let's see if we can take this last liquidity I said. Like we have to take that to build a good SMT here. This will be the SMT right there. If we buy this back up now.
Order
We take
filled.
this. Just to be safe on this trade. Do you want a pill? Do you want a pill? Just to be safe with this, but because this could just shoot above the 236 again and then continue to go to the upside. Yeah.
Order filled.
Which what it's called, ES is looking like it's just want to break out all of this range, and this would be the last. We basically build a SMT here. I don't really want to draw it in because it's way too much, but ES took lows, prominent lows, pretty good lows, which NQ didn't even get close to. That would be this lows here. This lows is the SMT. This right here. Can't really draw that in, I guess. This will be the SMT. But only if motherfucker is continuing sell side bullish momentum, but this looks like bullish momentum. Bearish momentum, sorry. We still look so bearish on ES. Ich glaube auch, market only knows one direction here. But this could pop, like this could pop above here. Also on ES, like we built a trend line there, which we kind of broke, I'd say. Yeah, no, which we add right now. We're right at that trend line, I guess. But we could buy this through now, I'd say. Like it's
Order
ES is giving
filled.
lots of confidences for that. Still. Oh, but this looks not good. Just strong liquidity takes, always retesting this those liquidity levels. But I think this is a strong SMT, so we should get some upside here. Like this is also looking kind of bullish. Based off of this, I guess. If you'd look for it that way. This would be the trade. Yeah, I think tending to the long side would be good here. Yes, just broke out of the trend line, but this could easily just break back and slap us, because this is like, look at the taps. This tapped so much upside there, which is why I'm
Order filled.
I'm going out of that.
Order
I'm taking
filled.
the sell here again, because the S is just holding this trend line. It's just holding. Like there's no hesitation even. We also lost lots of money on the way to this short now, but oh my, we getting faked like bitches.
Order filled.
Getting faked like little kids. Letting myself get baited out like twice a week. just to find any kind of confluence in which direction we want to go. But as our bias switched so often now, and this SMT is giving me some kind of confirmation, I don't know. ES needs to build a good breaker candle now. I need to see a good breaker candle in this next 1 minute. Or I'm just getting fucked. For real. Just getting fucked. Like, getting back under the trend line would mean we get bounced through this. Nah, I think I'm about to sell this again. We're not getting what I want. We give it a $45 stop. But this could like break in one candle, like took off everything like liquidity type wise there.
Order filled.
ES is reacting very bearish off of that.
Order filled.
Ah, but I think we're getting the breakthrough here. ES is giving kind of weird price action there. Like, it's not giving lots of volume and it's not giving lots of confluences. Just really slow markets right here. Really, really slow markets.
Order filled.
I gotta say, 5 minute just looks
Order
like it wants
filled.
to, yeah, rip back down like hell.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell that. Oh my. Fuck me, don't mind me.
Order
Don't
filled.
mind me, guys. I should just trust my trades. Like, this is just fucking around. This is the last short we could take at the FAG bounce. Maybe we overtake this and should
Order
back down
filled.
off that. That could be a thing. Yeah, now it's giving this fucking bullish reaction. I want it all the fucking time. Like, yes, it's just straight pushing through.
Order
This is
filled.
fucking up my results so bad right now.
Order filled.
Bro, can any kind of zone like hold us there? Why isn't anything like holding us?
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
I'm gonna just stay in this fucking buy. Fuck my buyers today.
Order filled.
I should have just trusted my buyers down here. Should have just held this buy. We would have gotten 63 off of that. Now we're getting reaction. It's like I'm getting kind of jumped around. No, how you call it? Bumped around. Like on the 5 minute, I thought we could just break this completely back down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I need a huge break here if we break this. But knowing my luck, we will probably. I mean, like, ES looks like we just take in liquidity on the 5 minute and just gonna shoot this back down inside the trend line real soon. But on the other side, we're just holding this bullish trend line here so well.
Order
Like,
filled.
look at that. We in that
Order
FVG
filled.
there. I'm just getting fucked with my buyers here. Belong von 21,58. Ja, das ist gut, Digga. Das ist guter Long. Ich hoffe, du hast den auch hier mitgenommen, weil ich hatte ja hier auch Long genommen, Digga. Ah, ich habe mich hier wieder zu viel faken lassen, Digga. Aber IS gibt hier so Stoff nach oben, Bruder. One two ist schon Hit, ne? Ja, ja. I need to see some kind of breaking of ES here. Like, I'm not even sure why ES isn't breaking this. Hell no, ES is giving so fucking bullish vibes. Like, really, really bullish vibes here. But I'd love to see some downside. If I'm honest. Like, I thought the 5 minute looks bearish here, but I guess not. I'm gonna switch my buyers here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If this shit now breaks, bro, that I closed out the fucking trade, I'm gonna send it against the wall. Bro, like, you can't fucking make this shit up. Bro, you can't make this shit up. Hab SMT bei den Lows unten. Ja, Digga, das hab ich auch, Mann. Ich hab nur meinen scheiß Trade nicht vertraut, Digga. Ich hab meinem Wix Trade nicht vertraut. Hier, das ist mein SMT-Line hier. Der hab ich hier unten auch eingezeichnet, Digga. Aber ich vertraue einfach meinem Wix Trade nicht, Digga. Und jetzt bin ich gerade rausgebailt und hab direkt dafür Karma kassiert, Digga.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell this one more time. Probably getting fucked here too, but worst entry ever.
Order filled.
But at least ES is giving downside here. I don't even know for ES, like, what type of liquidity levels there are that we could tap to. Like, we could break below this, that's for sure, but we actually took everything down there, I think, that we could take.
Order filled.
So we're getting fucked here off of 50%.
Order filled.
I'm just
Order
gonna
filled.
keep the SMT trade here. We're down 500 now from being up 2.3. Just cause I played so much around with this shit. I at least want to see this 1618 level getting crossed, I guess. But as I look at ES, I'm getting fucking pukes. I'm gonna fucking puke. Like, it looks like we wanna fucking sell off again. But at the same time, it's holding, like, can't really
Order
tell where I
filled.
wanna go.
Order
But I
filled.
think upside seems more reasonable, and we got some touches for the upside with the SMT. We're so volatile that I can't even, like, put a good stop here. That's the only thing fucking me up. Like, I'd love to see this trend line up there getting tapped, but we're now just trying to
Order filled.
get into this with as many contracts, but safe, not like risking a lot and just scaling slowly in.
Order
Yes,
filled.
already took that high off of this, so we should shoot through this. That's why I'm slowly adding into this.
Order
Doing
filled.
one more here. Nice, in 13 here. Should push the highs now.
Order
Yes, it's
filled.
already going so fucking far. I'm putting this break even now. In 14 micros now. Yes, it's still looking so freaking bearish, bullish now. Like we don't go for the whole push up like off of this. This will be another SMT, by the way.
Order filled.
That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, but we're holding this so
Order
straight.
filled.
What else can I do than sell this? That would be another SMT, by the way. Yes, it's really selling off there. But I am not getting shit out of anything here. Even this candle now looked so bearish. Now we fucking hold.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm just fucked right here. I'm
Order
not
filled.
clear with any positions I'm doing at the second. Like, this gives so much confluences at the second. Like, for real, we're getting so much confluences in which direction we could go. And ES is turning around like whoop, 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 whoop. Breaking trend line, getting it back, breaking trend line, going completely back. That's just weird price action, for real. This is weird price action here. I need to see some kind of break in one direction, and I want to see this high taken.
Order filled.
This is the last thing I'm gonna add. I'm gonna put my stop to 360 here. If we get stopped, this is bad, but I want to see a push now. ES should get a push off of that. If we don't push off of that, I don't know, bro. We built so much upside liquidity there. Push this fucking candle through now. You fucking bitch ass. Those highs, I want to see this highs taken. We also 50% at this 2 times, even took liquidity off of that. That's why I'm even more bullish on this. But look at those candles, like
Order
they
filled.
just wanna fuck you, bro. They just wanna fuck you. Right now building some kind of head and shoulders pattern. We just
Order
keep rejecting
filled.
that.
Order filled.
Sorry guys, right now I'm just on tilt. I'm just a bit on tilt. Because this is giving... Oh my god. Worst confluences in history. In like every way. We see ups and downs like all the time, every second. And what fucks me up even more is that ES is showing such bear side while NQ is holding like a motherfucker. Solche Tage finde ich richtig langweilig. Markt geht nur in eine Richtung. Die ganze Zeit und dann denkt, ja, Digga, es ist so dumm. Es macht keinen Bock so. Obwohl, ne, wenn du so siehst, so, Digga, das sind ja 70 Punkte, das ist schon ein guter Trade, so, ne. Aber so, damit wir in ES wieder drunter breaken, Bro, wir müssten halt... Also es gibt im ES nicht mehr viel, was wir unten eigentlich noch touchen wollen würden oder generell überhaupt dingsen würden, so, weißt du? Das fuckt mich eher ab. Und diese Price Action hier, das ist halt, Bruder, was ist das? But we got a double bottom on ES now. But I'm not even sure if we wanna just keep this or... Man könnte denken schon Lunch Break, wirklich, Bro, das ist geisteskrank. Guck mal hier, das wäre jetzt das perfekte Sell-Setup. Tap hier in dieser FVG. Direkt Sell-Off von dem Ding. Aber guck mal, selbst das, ne, ist... Gott sei Dank ist das der Übungsaccount, aber trotzdem, das ist halt, Digga, after being up 2.3, getting fucked like that is... Digga, das ist schon... Come on, sell off now, bro!
Order filled.
Max position size here. Because this should sell off, bro. Don't tell me we go up on this. ES? Bro, like ES. Come on. Be for real now. This is just to fuck people around. But this looks very, very bearish.
Order filled.
Getting straight away fucked there.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's just go for 30, 36. Alright, so I'm just
Order
I'll take
filled.
3 here. Wait, like, I'd say let's just do one last position. Just one last trade, and if I don't get this trade, we're gonna take the losing day. Because on my stats, it's like, if it shows I'm up a heck of a lot, even though I didn't make like a heck of a lot, it's kind of faking my results, if you know what I mean.
Order
Fuck,
filled.
this already is going too far.
Order
here.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We're down 1.3. We're just gonna do one more trade, and if this isn't hitting, then it should be how it is.
Order
I
filled.
want to see us break off of that. I still don't think we're gonna overtake this again, even though we built so much bullish pressure here and even got above this. No, this is a dumb trade, isn't it?
Order filled. Order filled.
We're gonna take the buy off of this spike above, tapped into the zone. If we don't get anything here, like, then this is just a bad day. Alright, this will be our last trade. I want to see heck of a upside. If we don't get this, it's alright. I'd love to see this up here actually touched. Yes, just still kind of hesitant. Not really
Order
sure what
filled.
it wants to do. Pull the long up of this. Giving it a fair go here. Right now, even at the trend line, and we broke the trend line.
Order filled.
We broke a major trend line. This is the max I would scale in on a funded. That's why we keep it like that now. And I'm not gonna add more. And I'm not gonna sale before we hit our TP. So we can actually get good results off of that now. Is this a combine? Nah, this is just my practice account. This is just my practice account, bro. We're also pretty bullish. We should shoot through at least into 59.72 on ES. So just get your bias, guys. Could see some downside now, but we should go up this. I'm pretty sure. We double trend line braked. No, I don't have a combine right now. We're gonna get a funded account in the next 2 days, which we're gonna trade on stream. Also with top step. Going for a set risk of $400, which I wanna get for risking about 600 overall, 360 on one trade, max. Yep. That's it. I'ma slowly take my bias in here.
Order filled.
Because we're really showing upside, and ES is moving
Order
like
filled.
really nice. ES is looking so good for the upside, guys. So if you want to take positions, go up. Yeah, my funded futures for payouts is probably better, but the upfront cost on my funded futures is just too high for me. Gotta say that. Like, I'm not that confident with 1,200 of drawdown on a day to pass this one in like 1 day. I'm looking for 1 day passes sometimes, even if it's dumb. But 100 is just too much upfront cost for me, and I like to pass my top sub combines and buy them at the next month. So activate them at the next month. Should get a push here.
Order
That's
filled.
why I'm even adding more. Setting this break even now too. Want to see a push now? In this candle on ES. We should get some upside to 65, I think. So we should push a lot with NQ here. Ever. Yeah, still holding. Still a bit hesitant, but should get the push through now. Should get this push through. Would you get 50k or 100k? I would recommend 50ks. 50ks are the best accounts in my opinion. If you're a confident trader and you know how to pass these accounts real fast, you could also trade a 150k account. But for beginners and even for advanced, I would recommend, like, if you got 3 years into trading, you could probably try out taking a 150k combine and trying to pass that. But I would recommend 50s more because they're cheaper, and you get, I wouldn't say you get more of it, but you know what I mean, I think. Yeah, it's getting good push here, or at least some kind of push. Could take the high now and should through, as said, should shoot through to 64s, maybe 65s on ES. That's why I'm still in that buy. Come on, NQ. Follow. Why aren't you following? Why isn't NQ following? Yes, should get lots of upside here.
Order filled.
Adding one more. We will try to hold this as our last position, as said. But I need some upside now. Oh, we kinda fucked. We can give it 360 at risk, but that would be the... Like 2k would be the max stop on our funded even. So we could risk 600 more, but I don't want to really do that. What are you up today? We were up 2.3, but as I continue trading, we got back below it. This is just a practice account, so this is all alright. This is also not a good candle for upside. Yeah, it's not like, no, I'm not looking at it like this. This was a winning day. Like, we made a heck of a money today. That's why I'm satisfied with this, I'd say. But the S is looking like it wants to break one more time to fill the gap at this lower side here. But we should buy this up eventually. I'm pretty confident about this buy actually. I'm pretty confident. And the S also took that low, tapped the bullish FEG at the downside and got good reaction right now off of that. So we could see this now push up pretty hefty. But I need something from ES here. Need some off of ES here. Kinda holding. But you gotta have a look at this trend line, like this is our trend line, which we're trying to break. But we should be able to break that with ES going up now. Hopefully we go up now. Because ES is still building downside, gotta say that. Could be that it stops us out, taps the zone, and then goes off of that. That could be. Doesn't look too good for me. Looks like we're getting stopped on this, but that's alright.
Order filled.
Stop there. I'm gonna buy
Order
this back.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This is a better entry now. Gonna keep the stop tight here. Gonna give it 308. So this will be our last trade. If we, yeah, okay, we probably getting stopped here. This is 100%
Order
gonna stop us.
filled.
Yeah. Alright. This will be a stop for today. It's kind of depressing, gotta say that. Just cause of this. Like we were up 2.4 and traded our way back down just because we wanted to continue trading, but that's alright. It's for content. I'm doing that also for the stream, so it's kind of entertaining. At least some giving some kind of vibes of it being interesting. Right now I'm just looking for what we're doing here, but this looks like we just 50%ed that and just straight away
Order
shoot
filled.
down off of that.
Order filled. Order
So
filled.
I'm taking one more here. We're just focusing on working our way back now, at least a bit.
Order filled.
We should get straight downside, but doesn't really look like it. Yes, it's holding on the fair value gap too. Yes, it's breaking that too. Back inside the trend line there. Breaking down off that. So we should be good for the lows, I guess. So yeah, this could be kind of our last target, I guess then. This will also be our trend line there. Come on, yes, get us down. Yes, facing some difficulties here. If we can make 2k on this trade, I'm gonna take this break even today. But if we get stopped off of that now, then I'm out for the day. Would kind of fuck around with my mentality, but it would be alright. You have to take losing days too. And this is just the practice account, so I'm not worrying about anything here. But I'd like ES to shoot down now. Like I'd like to see this trendline break and just taking all this liquidity again. And I mean, we hit the 1618, so this could easily break. This looks really good for a break. It could be that ES is targeting 939.50. There's a swing low there, which he could tap, I guess. I'll mark that out for myself right here. But I gotta say, like right now, I'd like to see this sell down like hell. It's building good bearish momentum and good candles for bearishness, so this should shoot through and at least get this down here. As the asset, if we can get this 2k on this last trade, then we take the break even today. But if we manage to hit our TP down here at this low, then, because this is also not a strong low. Like, look at this wick. This isn't a strong wick. Like, we need a longer wick to kind of confirm us. And looking on ES, like where could we go if we want to break more? There's a whole gap at the downside which we could still kind of tap, I guess. 50% off of that would be at around 29s in ES. Which I think we actually already tapped. Can that be? No, we didn't. Okay, that's good. We didn't tap 50%, so we should at least go below 50% off of that. So something like, I'd say here, somewhere here. We can even extend then this then. So for 61 points, around 61 points. Yes, could just drop here. But this is also forming some kind of bullishness. And the 1 minute on ES is also kind of trying to tap this upside. Yeah, also tapping this on ES now. The 50% off of that. Let's see if we can get rejection off of it. Looks good on ES. Got rejection. Need to see this break now. We got liquidity that we could sweep there. Looking based off of NQ, I'd say we could at least like, this would be the gap here. We could actually see this low here, like this one. At least we should see this, I'm pretty sure. We're probably gonna see this. I'm also marking out that. Ah, 100 Punkte. Ja, okay. Hast du keine Partials genommen, Bro? Nimm am besten immer ein bisschen Partials mit. Also zumindest so ein bisschen. Muss nicht viel sein, aber zumindest so ein bisschen Partials würde ich immer empfehlen, Bro. Wir haben hier ziemlich viel Liquidity genommen. Let's see if we can keep that bearish, or if this is now pulling us up. Cause on ES it kind of looks like it's pulling us up. Me and Chrome, we talk in German. Nee, ist eh nur Practice, der Trade war so dazu. Ob ich Full TP hätten würde. Ja, okay. Kann man natürlich auch machen. This would be a nice liquidity take off of that, which we could push off to the downside too. Let's see how ES reacts. Not that great of bearish volume there. We get lots of bullish volume. Nah, not near Luxembourg. I live in Germany. I myself live in Germany. Need a strong push off of ES to the downside now, else I'm out of this trade, I guess. Which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. We took liquidity, so this could easily just break to the top.
Order filled.
We give this one last try, I guess, then, because we still hold this.
Order filled.
Last try, I'm giving it. Even though this could just straight away crash back down.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, sometimes I'm getting fucked around by NQ. Because I look too much on ES, but yeah, okay, this is just sad now. Because this is really like bashing away our real TP. Do you think I should just get this back up to 2k in profit and then just say, okay, this was my initial TP for the day? Because like, bro, who the fuck would trade more if he makes 2.6 something K on the day. Like nobody.
Order filled.
If you make 2.3k on a 50k, bro, you're not trading anymore. That's why I'm like, I'd love to just put this back at 2k profit. Because we had a good day here. But the S is just like straight away pushing down, pushing up, pushing down, pushing up. No clear direction, even though we got this perfect tap up here, which I thought would like send us down like hell. Like not just this. But on ES we just don't have that much downside anymore. I think that's holding us. But also on ES this isn't a strong bottom we built there. So I'd like to see this crossed. Or at least I'd like to see us get back to 59.37 on ES. But like you can wish for many things. But if you get it, that's another question. Because this just looks like bullish structure. Maybe even now the SMT is so strong it just holds us up. We'll see. Damn, that's crazy price action on ES. Like, if you'd see what I see, like this is just straight away depressing.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I'm trusting what I see on NQ here. Right now we're just playing around. Like we were done for the day. You could tell that, but like we're just playing around. There's like nothing really for a downside that we could actually get here. So I think this was the main thing we did here. Just take liquidity again, sweep the downside, and now like just push back up. But we hold this zone like that well that I'm just like look at this, guys. Like 1 second ES is just showing like
order filled.
Bullishness
Order
like
filled.
hell. Next second it's bearish as fuck. I like to see at least some kind of break in like one direction. We ain't getting shit. Like that's the thing that's depressing me. Not like that we're
Order filled.
losing this trades here. Like I know that I'm oversizing, that's why I'm losing so much trades right now. But like
Order
I
filled.
just love to see some kind of volume in like one direction where we're like not getting anything. Like you see this buy up, we get sold down all the way back. Now this would just
Order
take me out
filled.
again and sell back down. Like looking at this on ES here, this just looks horrible. This shit looks horrible. This is a double top.
Order
Why this?
filled.
Like we could just go on a combine and just do this.
Order filled.
Right, this is our new trade. Boom. Stop loss. 360 down here. TP. Those highs. 800 something. We just let that trade run. Look at this trade. Alright. Built double top here. Rejected this trend line like 15 times now. We still don't want to sell off, but I guess it's kind of doesn't matter that much, I guess. ES is looking like it could bounce to the fucking top in like one candle, but at the same time just like sell off straight away to the downside. And that's really like fucking with my mentality like hard. 21.291.75 warte ich. Say 1 or 2 micros and just hold. Yeah, that's what I normally do. Like, this would be my normal size. This is my normal size for trades. But for this account, this is just my baby. And it kind of fucks around with my mentality when I make 2.4 on a day. And then just because I traded more in
Order
stream,
filled. Order filled.
I just continue losing a lot.
Order filled.
But I'm pretty sure I just want to hold this
Order
line
filled.
now.
Order filled.
Even though we look like shit on every time frame, like, it's fucking around a lot. Like, what the fuck is ES doing?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, if this isn't selling down right now, like, I'm getting fucking icky.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Give me 40 here. Just get me back my money. That's alright. Come on. Give me a quick 2k. I should push through now. Just fucking double top. ES is just having such a bad price action that it's hard to even say where we're going. But like at 1 second ES is like fully going up. Next second we break this hole that we just went up completely back down. Like you see it here. It's like it's fucking around so much. But we should see at least one spike above this to clear out the double top. I think it is a double top. No, it isn't.
Order
oh my
filled.
God. Yeah, okay, I got fucked. Isn't even double
Order
top.
filled.
Then we definitely
Order
sell
filled.
this down. That would have been a nice info for myself. Ico heißt direkt über 4 Stunden AMK, ne? Wo meinst du? Hier? Ich weiß gar nicht, ob das ein Equal High ist. Das sah mir gar nicht so aus. Ach, auf dem 1 Minute. Auf dem 1 Minute wo? Hier oben meinst du? We're gonna break liquidity soon. Yeah, that's what I think too. Like, look at this trendline break. Tapping above it, like tapping the zone like fucking 15 times. We should see a break, bro. That's what I'm anticipating the whole time for. I'm just holding this 50 so I can get my account back to 0 at least. Could even add more, but like, should we go ham? Should I add more on the way down? Yes, it's right at the trend line now. Yes, it's probably just gonna shoot above this. I'm pretty sure I know.
Order filled.
Just getting fucked here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We're going for 110 contracts here. Just don't fuck my account, please. I even said please. I even said please. Damn, alright. Probably gonna bump through the top then. Like if we don't hold this now, this is fucking meant to go up. But even in my mentality, I don't even know what we want to do down there. Like, there's just a gap that we could fill, but it's like a big ass gap. It's like a really huge gap. And for the upside, like, we got more on the upside here than for the downside.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order
Trying to
rejected.
get my account back right now. Like we are down 8k because we sized up so much. Was ich sehe da. Ja, Digga, was ich mache hier? Bruder, ich will hier nur meinen Account zurückhaben. Weil ich zumindest irgendwie noch Real Results haben will. Aber ich sehe das schon, wir enden hier dann mit Account blown oder so. Aber was, also, Digga, ich muss wirklich sagen, was anderes außer die Upside hier würde für mich jetzt keinen Sinn mehr machen, Digga. Also, wieso sollten wir das Low brechen? Das macht für mich keinen Sinn. So, wir haben nothing zur Downside, was wir da holen wollen würden, ne? Also, wir haben in IS alles zur Downside geholt, was wir hätten holen wollen würden, so. Und deswegen, Digga, wenn wir hier nicht hochgehen, dann weiß ich es wirklich nicht. Gib mir mal eben hier, keine Ahnung, was sind das, 30 Punkte? Die 30 kann er mir eigentlich mal geben, Digga. Damn, like, Bruder, was? No way. We're getting nothing here. Nothing. Gonna straight away fuck us down now. Break even. Like, bro, you have to go now. What am I supposed to do? Digga, Chrome. Also heute haben wir wirklich ein bisschen sehr viel geplayt. Aber wir haben alles richtig gemacht. Wir hatten wunderschöne Trades. Ich meine, den ersten Trade, den wir gehittet haben, Bro, das war direkt 150 Punkte für 2k knapp. Also, für mich ist das ein alright Day, Digga. Wir haben heute einen guten Tag gehabt. Und das sollte jetzt eigentlich auch hitten. Bin ich mir eigentlich recht sicher. Bro, this has to hit. Like, bro! Like, ES looks like a fucking dog shit type of shit. This is like the third bounce of the trend line now after creating 1, 2, 3, 4 order blocks in a row. I want to give it its room, like it has to go up, like there's no other way, but or at least I don't know why we should go lower here, because like yes, we got liquidity down here, yes, this is still liquidity, but we got a gap here that we could fill, and also we broke the whole day just down, and this was the first like really buy up that we had. If you don't like compare it with this one, this was the first real buy up we had, so I think we should at least mirror this to then get down. But I could be wrong, who knows. Aber ja, heute ein bisschen Slots, Bruder. Heute ein bisschen die Slotties. 150, Digga, stimmt, 15 Contracts. Okay, this looks so bearish now. Come on, ES. Give me something to the upside. We tapped so much into this lower trend line.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna go with the market. If the
Order
market
filled.
tells me we want to go down, we want to go down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Broke the trend line on ES. That's what confirmed me. This will be the trend line for NQ. Took liquidity off of that. Tapped the 618 up there. So we could get a push off of that. But who knows? ES is already breaking like hell. And the S isn't really following there. Now we're getting some kind of follow through. Just trying to get back out of my misery here. But we should get one clear move to the downside here now. Like, we baited out so much here. Like, this is so much bait. This is so much touching this zone up there. Either we're just gonna do this, sweep this, and buy this complete move back up, or we're just gonna sweep this now. But the S is giving sellish, pressure. Sell side pressure. Doesn't have to mean anything, but you know what it is. As said, for me, I only see upside for NQ. But you never know.
Order filled. Order
This is
filled.
crazy.
Order filled.
I'm getting
Order
fucked
filled.
around
Order
like a little
filled.
kid. We're down 10k! 11. Can we get some kind of move in like a direction now? This is just making me upset. This is making me really upset. 150 Contact und direkt bei 2-3k schließen. Ja, ich glaube auch. Eigentlich wäre das der Move. As said, I think we just got more to the upside and nothing to the downside on ES, but like you can get fucked real smooth on ES. So
Order filled.
like look
Order
at this.
filled.
This
Order
gives signals
filled.
in any direction
Order
you
filled.
want.
Order filled.
Down 13k here. I need one move in one direction, like we're not getting shit here. NES also so hesitant, not doing much, not really shooting down, not really shooting up. Kind of sad to see, gotta say that. But I'm not worrying about anything here. Like, it's okay. This is just a practice account, so we're just gonna practice on this. And as said, we had a great day already, so we good. We good. Should see the low now. This low. Should get this sell through. If not, I'm pretty disappointed because ES is just giving this much bear side. Like, we should push through the lows. And as said, we could go to 50% of the FEG on ES, which would mean 59.29. So I see this downside. We should get this pull. But yeah, all downside all day is kind of boring. Gotta say that too. Morgen neues, Digga, morgen Video auf YouTube. I made 15k on this one trade. I am the best day trader in town. Only look my stream. Only look at my stream. Don't you ever dare. Don't you ever dare to look at somebody else. I'm the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. We should get follow through. Yes, didn't even take a low here. So yeah, I guess we're getting that. After building this much sell side up there, we should get one more push through, I guess. So this TP should hit here. Yeah, looking really good. Looking real smooth. Der soll nur 2,5 machen. Come on, yes. Get this down now. Nice. Yes is going. Hab keinen Bock mehr, Digga. Ich bin auch done, Bro. Guck mal, 15k minus, Digga. 15k is crazy. Should get this top touch now and shoot off of that to the downside. Come on, yes. Yes, tap the FEG there. Should get the downside pull off of that. There we go. There comes some downside. Give it some more. Yes, I need you. I need you, Bay. Bin ich heute plus 200. Hätte ich Profite genommen, dann plus... Oh, plus 1800 ist auch crazy. Aber ich sag mal so, du hast einen Baba-Trade genommen und das schon zu wissen, so du musst... Also ich glaube, das Beste, was man wirklich für Funds machen kann, ist einfach sich einen festen TP zu setzen. Also sagen, okay, ich möchte 400 mitnehmen und dann automatisch sich ausstoppen lassen mit diesen 400. Und dann einfach zu sagen, okay, das ist fein. Ist für mich alright, ich habe jetzt heute 400 gemacht. So mehr brauche ich nicht, Type-Shit, weißt du? Ja, okay, fick mein Leben, ne? This is could be a good touch if we sell this down. If we keep it in this range, we should sell down off of that. ES is also buying, selling this all back down. Looks really, really nice. Nice. ES is breaking that. ES is already down here. So we should get something on NQ as this candle closes, I guess. Maybe even before, but ES is already has already broken this low. Close for all-time highs now on ES. All-time lows, sorry. Nice, nice, good break. Ah! Ah! No way! We got 0.25. Fucking clown me. Fucking clown me. No way! I saw this whole break on ES like, oh my. This is like 0.5. Fill me, please.
Order filled.
Thank you. Alright. We made it. We're back. We also hit 50% on ES there. So if ES closes there, I'm gonna buy that shit. Just to get us back at where we were
Order
originally.
filled.
This is my entry. This should be a pretty good entry. 360, I guess we do. Let's go for... Yeah, let's go for 144. Just based off that we had this strong break. I don't want to see too much. But I also don't want to see us break more. Like, we're under 50% now of this FEG. And I don't really want to see this continue to the downside. I want to see us buy this back up. And kind of keep it in that high. But also, this last liquidity I marked out here, I have to look what this is real quick. Alright, that isn't even that low. So this is the low we made an SMT off before.
Order
So I
filled.
think I'm gonna stay in my cell here. This would be probably smarter. 15k in einem Trade. Ich zeige euch, wie ich das geschafft habe. Yeah, macht das mal einer
Order
nach. Yeah.
filled.
Das muss erstmal einer nachmachen, ja. Okay, versteht ihr das? Ja, yeah, bevor das keiner von euch nachgemacht hat, redet einfach nicht im Chat. Okay. 15k in einem Trade. Ihr seid alles Loser. Ihr seid Loser. Okay, this is gonna continue selling off. Fuck my life. But at least I got us back above
Order
in
filled.
profit. How far will ES fucking sell off here? This is the question. Cause ES... Oh, we're in good lows. We're in good
Order
lows.
filled.
No, let me
Order
keep my
filled.
position here. We're in good lows. This should bounce up at least 33s in ES. So I see lots of upside potential here at the second. This could close the gap at 30s on ES. So I'm holding this real quick. So it would be that right here. Would be this. Selling 4 there. Come on, just hit it
Order
straight away.
filled.
Nice. Got that. If I see a strong push up, I'm gonna just hold this last 4. But I need some kind of stronger push. I'd love to see a close above 31 on ES there. That would mean we're really going to get some bullishness off of this. Because this also closed inside this range, and this was the first candle that closed outside. Silence. Initially, instantly showed upside here. Thanks for the follow. I can't really read your name, but thank you for the follow. Just type in chat if you want to. ES is also giving lots of bullishness off of this. This is a great inverse. Great inverse. Also für mich ist genug heute. Mach mal die Screens aus. Wir hören uns. Achso, machen mal die Screens aus. Wir hören uns. Safe, Bro. Ich wünsche dir noch einen schönen Tag, ne? Und dass alles entspannt läuft bei dir. Dass du noch entspannen kannst heute auf Log. Und sonst sehen wir uns morgen auf jeden Fall. Vielleicht haben wir morgen schon den Funded. Und dann trade ich auf jeden Fall morgen schon den Funded. Und dann werde ich aber auch wahrscheinlich schon um 15:15 Uhr online kommen.
Order filled.
Um schon mal im Vorhinein ein bisschen Pre-Market Analysis machen zu können. Um auch zu schauen, wie der Market moved. Und vielleicht daran schon ein bisschen besser ausmachen zu können, in welche Richtung wir wollen. Okay, we're getting strong sell
Order
back down.
filled.
But we closed below 50% of this gap and got a strong buyback up, so I think we could at least take this liquidity up here maybe. Did we 50% this already? Almost, yeah. Or did we? Yeah, you could let this count, but you don't have to. We should still see some more upside off of this. Also did not really a 50% touch, but this shows that we got lots of momentum to the upside. Yes, it's just pushing through. Maybe this is the perfect reversal that we caught here. We could also just measure this. Midpoint would be here. If you just measure this high, you'd get... Yeah, this as your 50% line, but we already tapped that, sold this back down, and now bought this back up. So if we close above this, this is a really strong signal that we want to buy up more to some other 50% point, and this would be this upper line then. We can also delete this fib now, and those liquidity lines here. Maybe we can leave the last, but also this up here. I think this is also not another liquidity line. Yeah, that's it. If you enjoy the stream, just leave a follow. We're streaming daily, 9:30 in the morning. We took the liquidity off of here now, so I'm gonna sell one
Order
contract
filled.
here.
Order
Or I
filled.
think I'm gonna sell most of my contracts here, just cause the most we were up on the day were 2.4, and we kind of cheated our way back, but yeah. Not really cheated. I wouldn't say cheated, like we were up 2.4 as you can see in the performance stats here. We started our day and instantly got up like 2.3k, and this was just, I asked chat like if I should continue trading like for the stream and just look for positions and stuff, and we slowly worked our way back down, and somewhere here I said, okay, let's just go for 20 micros, and we just scaled up, and so we got into 13,000 drawdown, but we got this all back in one trade and even made 1.7 on that. But now I'm just chilling. Like we were, as said, we were up 2.4 on the day, and that's some kind of my max target here, but yeah. Yes, still looking
Order
very good.
filled.
That's why I'm adding here.
Order filled.
Yes, could still go to this line. I think this is a pretty good level. I'm putting this break even. Yes, it's just looking like a straight buy up. Got a good trend line off of the bottom liquidity take and the go under 50% of the bullish FVG. That's why I'm holding through. Also got a good tap there. I'm adding
Order
one more.
filled.
Should get up here now pretty easily.
Order
Even adding
filled.
2 more here, because I'm that confident that we are not going back down here. And if I don't want to be in this trade. We're gonna take 4 contracts from up here and 2 more up here. And the last 2 we're gonna take in this 50% touch. She loving on my ego, you can keep that over there. My crib, sorry. Okay, ES should get a push here. Kind of a wider push. See if we can get that. I'm trying to fuck this bitch, I do not love her. Come on, take me out at 4 here. This will be 50% of this initial range inside this. That's why I'm looking for this to fill me. But kind of looks like it doesn't want to. We should get some push here now, and yes, some future push. I think we can even put this up here. But this is like, again, not getting filled for just because of 2 points. It's like, keeps annoying me. Also, ES is showing kind of bearishness, testing the trend line again right here. Let's see what it does. Could buy back all this and just shoot through. Or should actually. Like, look at this order block, look at this liquidity that got tapped here and how perfect it got tapped. So we could even put this down here, like risking 360. This is my normal risk. Like that. And just setting that as our final TP for 58 points. Let's see if this just gets sold back down at ES. Then I'm fairly quick out of this trade, I guess. But I really would like to see some upside off of that. Yeah, which we kind of get. Kind of. But like, I'd prefer a close above this candle. That would be perfect. But ES has to give it some strength here. But we're also at this, how is it called? Median on ES. That's why we're hesitant in that. Kind of breaking, but not too worried here. Like, measuring this would be our 50% tap here. Like, this is the 50% candle. And if we get lots of volume out of this, like, we're pretty meant to go up. Like, it just makes sense. Like, you know, if we get lots of volume out of this and close somewhere up here, we're pretty meant to go to the upside. But ES is building downside like hell right now. Could be just a fake out, but I'm not sure. Like, could just mirror the 35 lows on ES and get back off of that, but we'll have to see, I guess. Like, looking at the 5 minute, this doesn't look too good. But we also didn't get the tap off of 5944. That's why I'm still bullish on this. But this could fuck us real fast. Yeah, but those kind of days are some kind of boring because we just go into one direction the whole day. Like, really into one direction the whole day. Like we already dropped so far down, but we still get, like, it's 70-30. Like, we still get this to the downside, like even more downside. Okay, I need some upside from ES now. Needs to give me some here. Needs to get a good push now. Then we should be good on this. Hello, I need that money today. Little bitch got fight with me. Hello, I need that money today. Little bitch got faith with me. Let's see if we get this upside break now. We could actually. On 5 minute, like, we still, in my opinion, have to tap 5944 before we should drop on this, if we want to drop. So I'm still in this long. Hello, I need that money today. Little bitch got faith in me. Hello, I need that money today. I need a good push off of ES now. This could get us a really good candle to the upside now. If we want to get to the upside. But it looks like. I'm just gonna put this here so we're still in the, so you can see this in this and see the points we're in profit. If this isn't breaking in this candle, I'm going to look for sells, or I'm selling most of my position. This is what I anticipated for.
Order
I'm gonna sell
filled.
one there. Should get a good push now on ES. So we should follow. Pretty sure. But I think actually ES is giving the tone, like where we're going. ES is showing us where we're going. And ES should push that high now and go for that tap at 5944, so that will be kind of this area. Give me that too. On ES we already broke that low, high. Come on, tag me out there.
Order filled.
Nice. Got filled there for 2 contracts. Up 2.4 right now. Let's see how far we can go. We're back at where we started to kind of drift off. Close to that zone now. I'll pull this here. Just at least want to see us tap this. Like if we break off of that, that's not too bad. But I at least want to see this zone tapped. But I actually think we're just gonna shoot through this, take this liquidity, maybe even go up here. Like I think I could put this there. Should be good. Maybe here. Nah. Yeah, maybe here. Like this. Got the touch now. Should get some kind of push through it. Like took that liquidity but hesitant. Yes, also hesitant. Got some stretch head up there, so we good. Yes, we good. We good.
Order
Nice.
filled.
Another 2 out there. Up 2.6 now. Let's see if we can get our last fill up on those highs here. Or let's say up on this order block top. Come on. It's really, really close right now. Oh my god! It's right on our TP. Like, we didn't get filled, but it's right on our TP.
Order filled.
Nice. Okay. I think we're done for the day. This was another 62 points that we caught there. With scaling in and out, but doesn't matter. So this is what we got for the day. Went up 300, 400, 800, then up to 1.4k. We decided for the streaming content we're gonna trade more. Worked our way slowly back down. Like as you can see, like almost every minute there was a trade, like going down off of this. And then we just kind of slotted at this area. We started to slot. I think maybe at 500 we started, and then we worked our way down to I think 13.5k and made it all back in one trade with this sell-off right here. With this sell-off we made that all back. And yeah, then we just focused on recovering, made got 1.7 back off this one trade where we got back above it, and then just in this slow trades just worked our way back up to 3k here. And NQ is even pushing further, I guess. Yeah, we're just pushing. Looks good. All right, I think this should be it for today. We had a pretty great day. This is how we perform at the moment. 25k on the month, 25.5. Yesterday we made 2k. Today we made, if you take it for real, we made. Let's just lose some, just so I can feel better with
Order filled.
this trade. Let's lose about. I'd say 500. Let's lose 500. This is alright. Let's lose this, and then we are good for the day. I can live better with it when we have the correct, what's it called? Correct stop. But we should push this already. Like, this is small wick. We should tap this at least. Don't go on profit, bro. I need you to go fucking up now.
Order filled.
Just take this high. Come on, bruv. Pull this shit up, tap this shit, and we good. We good for the day. Come on. Like, bro, don't dump now. Don't you? That's the top of the zone in the S, that's why we dump here, I guess. But we should be able to keep this up. I want to lose this. I need to lose this. Like, I don't want to make more. Just want to quickly see us lose this. Come on. Take liquidity from the downside and pull back up, motherfucker. Closed on top of the gap, not too shabby too, but we also tapped the upper side of the zone, of the inverse zone. That's why we dump here, I think. Like at the moment. Come on, I need to see this break to the upside. I just want to take this minus and feel better about my day. Because this was our, at 2.5 or 2.4 was our initial what we made on the day, like before we started just slotting. So I would like to just get this back, that back, just to have like real results for the day, because we made a perfect sale for the start and just kept on holding that. And yeah. Come on, just break this. Come on. Bro! Just break this. Give me that 500 minus. Please. Bro, I'm fucking begging for losses. Like, bruv, actually just go. Actually just go.
Order filled.
Thank you. Alright, we take this. This is good results for our funded. This, I can more live with that. Alright, so this is our month. Till yet. Tomorrow we are probably starting a funded account, which I'm excited for. And we're gonna trade this live on YouTube and Kick simultaneously. We're just gonna look if we can make something out of it, you know? Yes, gave lots of conferences for those sales today, which I also liked a lot. Like this last bearish breaker here with the touch following and ES showing that this is a trend line that we built and just tap this this zone multiple times here. This just confirmed the downside sell and that we're just like 170 for free. I think we took 155 off of that, but yeah, this was our trade. This was our initial trade for the day. This sell-off here. Just gonna delete all those trend lines now. But this was our sell. And we even made one more sell in this zone where I said, okay, you guys could take this trade. 30 point stop for 32 points, the downside. But this was probably our best trade on the day. A 5.27 risk to reward trade, risking 30 points for 158. Entered here on this 50% of that zone. I got some more upside off of that, but after building this top, we just straight away bumped back down. Alright, let this be everything for today. See you guys again tomorrow. I hope you guys could learn something or take away something from this. This is just a perfect recovery, as I said, from the downside where we got that entry. I said like, this is a buy up, like heck of a buy up. And we took 61 here, but we also took some here, we also took some here, so we're good, we're good. We had a great day. Alright, see you guys, have a good one, and bye bye.